What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Rider Fusion, where we bring you the most exciting motorcycles on the planet. Today, we're diving into one of the most insane naked bikes ever created, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100. This is a superbike that had its fairings ripped off and was given a set of handlebars that actually let you ride it on the street. Let's get into why this Italian masterpiece is turning heads everywhere. The heart of a beast. At the core of the Tuono V4 1100 is a 1077cc V4 engine that pumps out an absolutely mind-blowing 175 horsepower. This is essentially the same engine from Aprilia's RS-V4 Superbike, one of the most successful racing machines in WSBK history. The V4 configuration gives you a sound that's unlike anything else on the road. It screams at high RPMs, but still delivers smooth, linear power from the bottom end. Whether you're cruising through town or attacking canyon roads, this engine responds instantly to your throttle inputs. Electronics package. Aprilia doesn't just give you raw power and send you on your way. The Tuono V4 1100 comes loaded with a comprehensive electronics suite that includes multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cornering ABS. The 6-axis IMU monitors the bike's behavior constantly, adjusting intervention levels to keep you safe while still letting you have fun. You can customize every parameter to match your riding style, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced rider pushing limits on track days. Handling and design. The chassis on this machine is absolutely sublime. The aluminum frame is designed for razor-sharp handling without sacrificing stability. Fully adjustable Sachs suspension at both ends lets you dial in the perfect setup for your weight and riding conditions. The riding position strikes an excellent balance, upright enough for comfort on longer rides, but still sporty enough to get aggressive when the road gets twisty. And let's talk about those looks. The sharp, aggressive styling with that distinctive 3 LED headlight makes this bike unmistakable. This is a motorcycle that looks fast standing still. Conclusion. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 is the ultimate expression of what a naked bike should be. Superbike performance with everyday usability. It's not for everyone, but if you want one of the most thrilling riding experiences available on two wheels, this Italian exotic delivers in every way. That's it for today's episode on Rider Fusion. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and let me know in the comments what bike you want us to cover next. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.